Sana supportahan niyo si ma'am sa kanyang YouTube channel. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. TV vlog. Yan. Ilalagay ko sa description. Sana supportahan niyo mga kasunod.
Ito na mga idol, Louie Kapanalig.
Ayan, supportahan natin si Flixie TV Vlog. Watch hour na lang yung kulang niya. Ayan, para makamit niya na panoorin natin, no?
PM Flexi. And I'm here in phase 2 open court. There's a game in between Alawi versus Alawi from phase 3. Score is 9-17 in favor of Rickman Alawi. Yun naka-red po. Number 23. Whistle. Nice rep. Ang galing ng rep na yan. Referee na yan. Kalit niya ito, no? Ayun si Jomer, oh.
Penalty para last.
Ayun ang kapatid niya. Ayun ang kapatid niya, nag-free throw. Magkalaban po sila. Rickman! First attempt, wala.
Last draw.
Number 23, ano yan si Michael Jordan. Second attempt by Alawi. Wale.
Nakuha ni Jescu.
Pass to Alawi. Alawi for 3. Wala. Bound by number 29. Oh. Pinasa kay
Pinasa kay Rickman.
Rickman! Oh! Sayang yung ikot ni Rickman. Siya, inaanan yung kapatid.
Okay,
11. Ay, intercepted by nakuha ni Luis. Oh, Dioso. Got 2 points.
3 seconds na lang po ang natitirang oras natin.
Oh, another by
Diwali
Dioso.
pa.
Tingnan lang.
So, 15 seconds. Just got cute.
Ay,
Sablay.
hindi pa inayos.
10 seconds.
Score
5 seconds.
9-19.
Buzzer na lang ba maririnig nyo? Over the barrel.
First half. That is the first quarter. End of the first quarter. Score 9-19. Shout out to my husband. Shout out to my husband, Yayo. Oh. The former Porok basketball player. So it's legendary, number 17.
Back to the ball game. Tabi ni Jabo.
Second quarter mga ka-Flexi. Ang score natin ay 9-19 in favor of Rickman Alawi's team. Tawag sa kanila ay mix and match. Then the opponent is Hometown. Inbound. Vilvar. Number 7. Pass to number 17. Foul by number 24.
Jersey number 29.
24.
24. Pushing foul.
First team foul, mix and match.
Third personal foul.
17. Pass to number 7. To number 20.
Number 20. 10 to shoot. Ortilia.
Ayun, 82 by Orpilia.
Marcos Lakad. Kinasakay kay Bebe.
Number 5, but then the 2.
Papasa.
Nice
Easy 2
shot by
points para
number
kay Keylon.
5.
Stepping on the line.
Hmm? Counted yun, tay? Yung naging ball ng stepping.
Counted.
Hmm. 11-21 ang score. Number 5 to number 29. Wala.
Supply
Airball.
naman kila Ayan. Easy 2 points.
Ayan by 2. Number 15. Junmar's number, oh. Numero ni Junmar Fajardo. Vilvar number 7. Pass to number 17. Attempt for 3 points.
3 points.
Ayun. 14-23 na po ang score. Remaining playing time is 27.
Pinasa kay Labi.
Ay, nakuha ni number 7. Ipasa mo!
Easy
Ayun.
2 points para kay Labi.
That's my number. Fast break.
Kairam. Kaya Bebe.
Alawi.
Sinira ng
Yun!
3 points.
3 points by number 21. Anak ni Jomer.
AB.
Vilvar.
AB. Nagkakapasa ang pinasa kay Bebe.
Kudak-kudag. Ang layo.
Sablay. Who's Paulet?
Number 29. Magaling tumawag yung referee na
Jersey
yun, no?
number 29.
Second team foul. Mix and match. Wala. Bound by number 24. Up! Oy. Ang lakas na. Inbound Vilvar, number 7 to 17. Ay!
Labi. Pass to David. David. Sasagasa si David. Pasa pala kay Jersey number 20. Sablay. Nakuha. Who's Paulet?
Counted foul by number
Jersey number
24.
24.
Bonus free throw ni Orpilia. Wale.
Kaya Bebe.
Ay, nakuha. Ay!
Pinasa kay
Pilit.
David. Pinasa kay Charles.
Oh, nice one. Nice assist by Vilvar.
Ready for time.
20-26 ang score.
Gram. As si Jersey number 24.
Mix and match. 24 Hiram.
For 2.
Wow, nakabawi si number 24.
Labing.
Number, yung 24, kanin number yan tayo. Vilvar number 7 for 3.
Mix match.
Mix and match. Second quarter, tara na. Bye. That's all.
Pasok, pasok.
Intersector basketball.
Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Papasok sa gitna. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Kuya, dahil to! Tulungan mo tayo! Kuya Jess! Kuya Jess, kumain ka! Saan yung chan mo? Di mo tinulungan tay.
Shoutout daw kay Yari Totoy, sabi ni Jovel sa vlog. Andito yung pangangin mo. Jersey number 0. Pinasa sa ilalim.
Grabe oh. Viewers.